You want to increase your income and make some extra money on the side? Well, I got 5 tips that's going to help you do that. Now, these are a few ideas to help you provide an extra source of income for you and your household without you having to spend any extra money out of your pocket. Number 1, create a YouTube channel. One of the easiest things in the world to do as long as you got an internet connection or a computer, but one of the toughest things in the world to get paid from. I created my YouTube channel about a year ago and I haven't gotten a check yet. But I've seen in the AdSense, that the money is starting to build up and soon I'll be able to receive a payout. And YouTube is fun. It really is. You get to get up on camera and talk about things that you like to talk about. And in the process, you get to help other people out. Like what I'm doing right now, I'm giving you these 5 tips to help you make some extra money. YouTube is a great platform. It helps you be able to network with other people who are into the things that you're into, sell things that you may be interested in selling, and also you can receive cash from the AdSense. But you got to get 1,000 subscribers first before you can start receiving payouts from that. It used to be 100, but now they upped it to 1,000, so makes things a little more difficult to start getting paid from it. But once you get to that 1,000 subscribers, things would be pretty awesome, because the paychecks that you will receive at having only 100 subscribers, it'd be a lot bigger than the paychecks that you'll receive by having 1,000 subscribers. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Now you can use your YouTube channel to help you drive sales for your affiliate marketing. Man, with affiliate marketing, it's pretty cool. You can do things like Amazon affiliates, and also you got ClickBank and JVZoo. I more so stick with the Amazon and the ClickBank just because it's my personal preference. But you can do some research and find things that you might like to advertise, through JVZoo, ClickBank, Amazon affiliates, and there's a whole host of other affiliates out there that you could use to help you generate an income. Man, there's lots of people out there making 6 figures off of affiliate marketing, and YouTube is a great platform to help you do that. Number 3, sell stuff. Like I told y'all in a previous video, you can sell anything. You can have a garage sale with stuff that you don't need anymore, or you can go and get you a booth at the flea market and sell stuff that you don't need anymore. Or like in another video that I made, you can go on Craigslist or like 5 Miles or OfferUp, and you can purchase a pallet of items or whatever, and you could take that over to like the flea market or have a yard sale for it, and you can flip the money from that stuff. Now this is something that I've also done myself personally. I've taken my own personal things and had a yard sale with it, and also taken them to the flea markets. I used to buy pallets of things and take them to the flea market and sell them, and man, you can make a really quick big profit off of doing that. And this isn't something that you only have to do once, because like you can just get the old stuff that you have, take it to the flea market, sell it, take the money from that, invest it into some more stuff, then take it to the flea market, resell it, and you can just stack your bread up from there. I tell you, once you start seeing the money rolling in, it starts to become fun, and it becomes like a game, because you want to see how much more money you can make this time, and each time you try to outdo yourself from what you did the last time. Number 4, sell food. Because man, I've seen lots of videos of people posting plates and pictures of people posting plates and stuff of food that they're selling on like 5 Miles and OfferUp and on Facebook and Instagram, and people are really making a killing off of selling food. But in order to be profitable in selling food, you got to know how to cook, because I know for myself, I'm not gonna go out there and pay for something that's nasty, because if I bite into it and it's nasty, I'm gonna ask the person for my money back. Number 5, the most common way that most people get extra money is to get an extra job or ask their boss if they can work some extra hours. You'll be surprised, most companies are begging their employees to work extra hours, so you don't really have to ask too much. You get the extra hours just to make some extra cash. To get more info about making some extra cash, check out my website, MarioCottman.com. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I appreciate y'all watching. And remember, be legendary.